Let's learn about multi-step decimal operations. We want to calculate, in parentheses here, 23.45 plus 67.89, and then multiply that by 1.5. Well, our order of operations still apply. We need to add what's inside the parentheses first. So let's do that here on the side. 23.45, line that up. We have 67.89. Make sure you line up the decimal. We're going to add these two together. 5 plus a 9 is a 14. 4 carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is a 5, plus the 8 here is a 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus a 3 is a 4, plus 7's 11. 1, 1, carry that 1 there. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9. So when we add our two numbers, we have 91.34. So we have a 91.34 here, multiplied by a 1.5. And so now we can apply our multiplication. So I'm not going to deal with the decimals right now. I'm just going to multiply our 9134 and multiply that by a 15. I'm ignoring the decimals for the time being. All right? And then we'll apply them at the end. 5 times 4 is a 20. 0, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus a 2 is a 17. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And 5 times 9 is a 45. Now, we've already done the 5, so we have a 0 here. Let's do it with the 1, and this one's pretty easy. 1 times 4 is a 4, 1 times 3 is a 3, 1 times 1 is a 1, and 1 times 9 is a 9. We now want to add these two numbers up. 0 and 0, give me a 0. 7 plus 4 is a 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 3 is 10. 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 1 is a 7. And 4 plus 9 is a 13. So now we look at our decimals. We have two decimal places here, 1 here. 2 and 1 make a 3. 1, 2, 3, right here. We don't need that last 0 written down. 137.01. And that is our answer. We calculated 23.45 plus 67.89, multiplied that by 1.5, and got a 137.01. Hope you learned something here about multi-step decimal operations. And as always, thanks for watching.